does the government, is there any discussion about the government allowing a separate procurement of vaccines from companies for their employees? Will the government handle administration, or will they hand it over to the private company as well?
Okay, I think that question was based on an agreement that was signed. It's a tripartite agreement between government, the private sector, and AstraZeneca. I think a few weeks ago. But anyway, in that particular agreement, the private sector is actually contributing to the purchase of vaccines through Astra if it is approved by the FDA. So, of course, that is based on the condition that it will be approved by the FDA. How it's going to be deployed, hindi po ako privy to that information, but my understanding is that a certain percentage of the vaccines that will be bought through that agreement, which is about, I think it's about more than 2 million doses, will be given to the private sector. Meaning these are for people who are working in the companies that have actually made the donation.